ChatGPT prompts for making business decisions. Running a business? Yeah, that's tough. You are probably wondering how to get more sales, how to market your product and service without paying for more ads, or even just what to do next. Make the wrong decision and you'll waste tons of money, possibly killing your business. But if you make the right decision, you could start adding more zeros to your bank account. Here's a cool tip. You can get AI ChatGPT to do the heavy thinking so that the burden is not on you. Just copy and paste these ChatGPT prompts to make sure your next business decision is a game changer. You want to know the number one mistake when making a business decision? Treating the symptoms and not the real issue. So instead of just putting a band-aid on your problem, get ChatGPT to dive deep and find what's really going on. That way, you are fixing things for real, not just hiding them. Start with this prompt. Act as a business consultant. I'm gonna give you a list of problems in my business, and I want you to find the root cause underlying all these problems. Context. And then you explain what you're trying to do. Here are the problems, and you list what's going wrong and the roadblocks you are currently facing. What are 5 possible root causes that's creating these problems? After you pinpointed the real problem, thinking of all the solutions can be a headache. You don't want that "oops, I forgot that one" moment. But hey, that's why we are using AI, right? It can brainstorm solutions for that main issue you found. Use this prompt next. I am, describe your business, and trying to achieve, give your business goal. The root cause of my problem is, and then you provide the root problem from the previous AI output. The desired outcomes from solving this problem are, and then you describe your specific goals in order. Given my problem and my goals, list the 5 best potential ways to solve the problem. For example, I am an artist and trying to achieve more sales by selling my art on Instagram. The root cause of my problem is no one cares about my art and I don't get many likes or comments, barely any engagement at all. Given my problem and goals, list the 5 best potential ways to solve the problem. And look at what ChatGPT did for us. Now that you got your solutions lined up, you probably are asking, but which one is the winner? Each option is like a double-edged sword. It's tricky to weigh the good and the bad without missing something. And let's be real, nobody wants to swap old problems for new ones, right? Well, guess what? Give ChatGPT a nudge and it'll list down the pluses and minuses for you. Plug this prompt in. For each possible solution you just listed, act as an expert business analyst and outline the benefits and drawbacks of each in a bullet point list. The benefits and drawbacks need to be specific to the information I provided about me and my situation. Nice, right? ChatGPT is able to create an output based on your situation. But wait, don't just pick one and move forward. Instead of just picking one option and going with it, let's have AI picture how things will turn out if we pick one of the options. This is like looking into the future to see what might happen before you invest any time in it. That's why this is the best prompt to use next. For each possible solution you listed, show me 3 possible outcomes. 1. Best case. 2. Likely case. 3. Worst case. Describe the case, then tell me what factors could cause each case to happen. Alright, so you got the real issue of your problem, some solutions, the good, the bad, and a movie trailer in your mind for each choice. Now, what's the next step? Why not ask ChatGPT to pick the top contender for you? Just set your goals and let it rank your options. And hey, if you're already leaning towards one solution, tell it. That way, you're comparing notes with AI and making sure you're on the right track. Here's the last prompt to use. Given my background, goals, and the pros and cons of each option, rank the solutions you gave me in the order of how well they align with the following goals. 1. Specifically targeting the root cause. 2. Help me achieve my goals. 3. Have less significant downsides. Explain why you rank each option that way. Awesome, right? Let's review what we just did. We are trying to make some tough business decisions. So we asked AI to 1. Dig deep to find out what's really going on. 2. brainstorm solutions. 3. Weigh the good with the bad. 4. Picture how it all might turn out. And 5. Rank what we should focus on first. Don't forget, you got the answers inside of you, but sometimes a chat with ChatGPT can be just a thing to clear things up. It's kind of like keeping a diary, but imagine your diary is super smart and doesn't have mood swings. So what do you think? With all that info, you're ready to take on the world and make sure your business is a success even before you take that first step. Let me know in the comment section what problems you're dealing with in your business, and I'll come up with even more prompts to help you. Remember to hit the subscribe button and the notification button, because in the next episode, we'll start implementing everything and really help you make more money in your business. See you in the next episode.